Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to make cookie packaging in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, make a selection of the cookie packaging. After make a perfect selection, press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Now pick a rectangle tool and draw a rectangle to the packaging size. Now convert it into smart object. Reduce the fill. Press Ctrl T to transform and select distort. Increase the fill back to 100%. Create a clipping mask and change that blend mode to multiply. Double click on smart object icon and place the design here. So go to file, place embedded, select design and place. Press Ctrl S to save and close this tab. And see how we can easily make a cookie packaging mockup. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.